Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your LinkedIn growth metrics with Iconosquare, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Open a new browser tab and navigate to the Iconosquare website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up option and create one. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Choose the LinkedIn integration option from the available platforms. Connect your LinkedIn account by following the on-screen prompts. Grant the necessary permissions for Iconosquare to access your LinkedIn data. Once connected, return to your Iconosquare dashboard. Look for the Analytics section specifically dedicated to LinkedIn. Here, you'll find an overview of your LinkedIn performance metrics. Examine key indicators such as impressions, engagement rates, and follower growth. Identify trends by comparing metrics over different time frames. Use the graphs and charts provided to visualize your data. Make note of any significant changes in your metrics. If you want in-depth analysis, explore individual post performance. Analyze which types of content generate the most engagement. Utilize the insights to refine your LinkedIn content strategy. Consider exporting the data for further analysis if needed. Keep track of your growth metrics regularly to measure progress. This will help optimize your LinkedIn presence over time. Remember to revisit your Iconosquare dashboard periodically for updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.